Hello and welcome to my social media marketing page. I'm Dave Smith with I Am Justice Marketing. For those who don't know me from Adam and don't even know if you should listen to my words or what I'm trying to teach, I'm going to try to turn that around a little bit and hopefully give you something of value that is tested and proven by many experts. I'm going to give you 2 points that hopefully you could learn from and take with you in your business. One would be how you use social media, and the other would be when you do a post that has to do with sales for your business. The first one I'll hit is when you do a sales post. You have not built any value for someone to call you because they see your post. I am Dave Smith. I'm the best in the world. I've been at this for 100 years. Here's my phone number. Give me a call. That is a poor way of marketing. So what you want to do is try to construct an ad that might hit their hot button. What is their pain issue? What are they having trouble with? Why would they want to reach out to you? How are you going to make them feel if they hire you? Try to get that across in your message, and then have a proper button below your sale ad post to message you or to call you. So try to remember when you do a sales post, it's not dig me, I'm awesome. It's what you can do or what you're going to do for someone is the key. Okay? And as far as the other point, what social media should be to you, there is an 80-20 rule for just about everything, and I'm going to hit you with another one. You socialize 80% of the time, and you sell 20% of the time. The quickest way to get disconnected, banned, deleted, ignored is if you look at social media as sales media. That's not what it is. Social media is for conversations, for sharing, for education, for entertainment. Remember that even though you're in business. So you try to find out where your target, your ideal customers might be. Join those groups. Try to connect to those people, no matter what social media platform that you're using. And make your interesting, educational, funny, cute, and of value comments. And if they want to find out who you are, they can hover their mouse arrow over your picture or your name, and that little tiny window pops up, and they can see who and what you are. If your comments are valuable enough, or your posts, they could go to your page, and hopefully you decked out your profile well enough that impresses them to maybe want to reach out to you for business. So remember, in conclusion here, social media is not sales media, it's social. So get into conversations, be friendly, and do not put your sales links or your promotions in your comments. People can find you very quickly and very easily whenever you post or comment. And hopefully when you draw them back or lure them back to your profile is done so well that they want to reach out and do business with you. So that's about it. So thanks for listening. If you'd like to further this conversation, make sure you get in touch with me. And hopefully you'll take what I said to heart, and you'll start doing it that way, and you'll see maybe some results sway the other way. and good luck with that. So here's to your success. I'm Dave Smith with I Am Justice Marketing. Talk to you soon.